Hey YouTube, today we're going to be looking at my Smith & Wesson 686 No Dash, and I've showed this gun many times on this channel using them as examples, but today I'm going to show it to you because I put a different set of grips on it. So before we get started, I'm going to let you know that there is nothing in this particular revolver and we're clear to make this video. So what we have here, this is my Smith & Wesson 686 No Dash 357 Magnum. This is a 4-inch stainless steel revolver, and I recently put this set of combat grips on it. Now, a little known fact about combat grips. Combat grips are a smooth texture with finger grooves on them, and they were made by Smith & Wesson in the late 80s and early 90s. And you could buy them at any authorized Smith & Wesson dealer. They would sit on the shelves. They came in a little cardboard piece of cardboard with plastic over them. It said Smith & Wesson combat grips, and nobody bought them. Nobody liked them back in the 80s and the 90s, and they were discontinued by Smith & Wesson. Well, I always thought they were pretty cool. And now that they are discontinued, guess what, folks? The price has gone through the roof, and you have to pay quite a bit of money for them. Now, there are a few companies out there that do that have reproduced them. You can get reproduction ones. These are not reproduction ones. These are the original Smith & Wesson ones that I wanted to put on here to show them. But there's a couple people out there that have reproduced them as they reproduced everything and made them a little bit more affordable. But go buy original Smith & Wesson combat grips now. It's so funny that nobody could give these away back when they came out, and now everybody wants them. And they are pretty pricey if you find them. You can find them on eBay, or if you happen to run into them at a local gun show, get ready to pull out your wallet a little bit. Now, the reason I'm making this video is it's a little bit of an experiment. I did a video on showing different types of vintage Smith & Wesson wood grips, and the wonderful YouTube limited the video, and they won't suggest it or anything like that. And I'm just seeing if I just show a gun and talk about the grips, if they will limit this also. I don't mean to bore anybody or anything. It's just a little experiment that I was doing to show you these grips on this gun. So if anybody has any questions on this particular firearm or these Smith & Wesson combat grips, feel free to ask. I cannot remember what the name of this wood is. If anybody knows that, I would be happy to listen to that. Thank you very much for watching this little short video, this little experiment I'm trying with YouTube, and you folks have a great day.